Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best insights into beauty products. Today, we're diving into the Lemoda 13x4 SKINLIKE Real HD Lace Frontal Wig in 180 density, a gorgeous honey blonde color with a body wave texture. Let's break it down and see how this wig measures up. The Lemoda 13x4 SKINLIKE Real HD Lace Frontal Wig boasts a sleek, ultra-thin lace that promises to melt seamlessly into the skin, creating a flawless, natural look. This lace is said to be 0.1 millimeters thick, making it almost invisible, even against a variety of skin tones. The wig comes in a honey blonde shade, specifically a blend of 427 highlights that provides a rich, dimensional color with depth. What really sets this wig apart is its 13x4 lace front, which offers a wider space for parting, giving you more versatility for styling. Whether you want to rock a side part, create a sleek ponytail, or pull it up into a bun, this lace front allows for those style choices. The wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair, which means it's soft, bouncy, and full of life. Importantly, it's designed for long-term use, so with proper care, it should maintain its style for quite a while. When it comes to wearability, the cap size is medium, about 22.5 inches, and comes with 2 adjustable straps and 3 combs. This ensures a snug, secure fit, whether you have a larger or smaller head. It's lightweight and breathable, which is always a plus when wearing wigs for extended periods. In my personal experience, the Lemoda HD lace wig was easy to install and blended beautifully with my natural hairline. The lace melted into my skin, and I didn't need to add a lot of adhesive. I tried the wig in a variety of conditions, including both indoor and outdoor wear, and it held up remarkably well. The hair didn't shed excessively, and the body wave texture remained intact throughout the day. On the plus side, the wig's density is perfect for creating a full, voluminous look without feeling heavy. The texture of the hair is incredibly soft, and the body wave pattern provides a touch of elegance while still feeling natural. The color is vibrant and versatile, so it could easily transition from daytime to evening looks. The lace really does melt into your skin, and the extra parting space adds a lot of styling flexibility. On the flip side, while the wig's HD lace is certainly impressive, it does require a little extra care when it comes to maintenance. The lace is delicate, so you'll need to handle it with care to avoid any tears or damage. Additionally, the 180 density can feel a little heavy for some, especially if you're used to lighter wigs. As for value for money, this wig sits in the mid to high price range for quality human hair wigs. And the price seems justified considering the premium Brazilian virgin human hair, the versatility of the 13x4 lace front, and the overall high-end feel of the wig. If you're looking for a wig that offers a natural, flawless appearance and the ability to style it in different ways, this one is certainly worth considering. If you're on a budget, there are certainly more affordable options out there, but you might not get the same level of natural-looking lace and hair quality. There are alternatives, though, like synthetic lace front wigs, that could give you a similar look for less money, but they won't provide the same long-term durability or customization. The build quality of this wig is impressive. The materials feel high-end, and the hair itself is thick and full without being overly heavy. The lace is delicate, but as long as you treat it carefully, it should last. The longevity of this wig is definitely one of its strong points, especially considering the quality of the Remy hair. Customer support for Lemoda is generally well regarded, with many users praising their responsiveness and helpfulness when it comes to product queries or issues. While I didn't have any personal experience with customer service, the overall reputation suggests you'll be in good hands if you need assistance. To wrap things up, the Lemoda 13x4 SKINLIKE Real HD Lace Frontal Wig is a strong contender in the human hair wig category. It offers high-quality hair, versatile styling options, and an ultra-natural look, making it an excellent choice for those who are willing to invest in a premium product. If you're in the market for a wig that offers natural aesthetics and durability, this one is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've used this wig, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.